They say if someone truly wants you, they'll call. But what if I told you, you could make them call? Not next week, not tomorrow, within 12 hours, non-stop, begging to be with you. Sounds crazy, right? Well, don't click away just yet, because this simple ancient technique has worked for thousands of people. And no, it's not manipulation. It's science, energy, and intention combined. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful manifestation ritual using two common household ingredients, garlic and salt. These ingredients have been used for centuries for attraction, protection, and energy shifting. By following the exact steps I'm about to share, you'll set powerful forces in motion, making that one person think about you non-stop until they can't resist picking up the phone. Step 1. Timing is everything. If you do this at the wrong time, it might not work as effectively. The best time, early morning, right after you wake up, while your subconscious mind is still active. This is when your energy is most powerful. If you can't do it in the morning, the second best time is right before bed, when your mind is in a relaxed state and more receptive to manifestation. Your mind is like a sponge in these moments. Whatever you focus on, your subconscious absorbs and amplifies. That's why timing is key. When you do this ritual at the right time, your energy aligns with the natural rhythms of the universe, making your intention even stronger. Step 2. You'll need 7 cloves of garlic, not 6, not 8, exactly 7. A pinch of sea salt or rock salt, table salt won't work as well. A small piece of plain white paper, a black or red pen, not blue, this is important. Your favorite body spray or perfume, this locks in the energy. Why these ingredients? Garlic has been used in spiritual practices for centuries. It's known for its power to clear negative energy and create a strong, magnetic field around you. Salt, on the other hand, is a powerful conductor of energy. It enhances manifestation, amplifies intention, and protects against doubt and resistance. The paper and pen are tools to bring your thoughts into the physical world, while your scent acts as an energetic signature, sealing your intention into reality. Step 3. Take the paper and write the full name of the person you want to hear from. First name, middle name, last name. If you know their date of birth, write that too. The more specific, the better. This creates a direct energetic link between your intention and their subconscious mind. Now, underneath their name, write your intention in present tense as if it's already happening. For example, person's name, you are thinking about me right now. You feel an overwhelming urge to call me. You miss me and want to talk to me. Repeat this 3 times. The reason we write it in the present tense is simple. Your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. When you declare it as already happening, your subconscious aligns with that reality, pulling it into existence. Step 4. Place the 7 garlic cloves on top of the paper. These cloves represent strength, protection, and attraction, 3 essential elements in manifestation. By placing them over the paper, you are charging your intention with their natural energy. Now, sprinkle the sea salt over it. Salt has been used for centuries to purify and amplify intentions, so don't skip this step. Next, take your body spray or perfume and give it 1 quick spritz, just enough to seal the energy. This step is crucial because scent is deeply tied to memory and emotion. By adding your personal fragrance, you are energetically binding this person to the thought of you. Every time they catch a similar scent, their mind will instinctively drift to you. Now, fold the paper inwards from all 4 sides, sealing the ingredients inside. Folding inwards is symbolic. You're drawing their energy towards you rather than pushing it away. Hold it in your hands and close your eyes. take a deep breath. Visualize this person grabbing their phone, looking at your name, and calling you immediately. See their hands moving, hear the ringtone, and feel the anticipation. Imagine their voice on the other end of the call, speaking to you with warmth and urgency. Make this visualization as real as possible. The stronger the feeling, the faster the energy manifests. Step 5. Now, take this folded paper and place it under your pillow if you want them to call you in the morning. The subconscious mind is most active during sleep, and placing the manifestation under your pillow keeps it close to your energy field, working overnight to send your intention into the universe. If you want them to call at night, burn the paper safely and let the ashes scatter into the wind. Fire is a powerful transformer. It takes your thoughts and turns them into energy. As the ashes disperse, so does your intention, sending it directly into the universe. This method works best when you're seeking an immediate response, as it releases the energy faster. Within 12 hours, you might start noticing small signs. Maybe they like an old post of yours, maybe a mutual friend mentions them randomly. Pay attention to these little hints. These are the universe's way of letting you know that your energy is working and aligning with your desires. Then, before you know it, your phone rings. When it happens, don't freak out. Act natural. Let the energy do its job. If you come across as overly eager or anxious, it might disrupt the flow. Instead, stay calm, confident, and in control. Remember, you manifested this. You made it happen. Try this and come back to the comments to share your results. Your experience could inspire someone else to try it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful manifestation secrets. And remember, energy flows where attention goes. Stay focused, believe in the process, and watch the magic unfold. See you in the next one.